Okay, again welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's get into this one. Now today we are going to do this quadratic equations, the solving of quadratic equation number 6. Creative section A, number 6 we are going to do today. And this kind of situations that students feel more uncomfortable. For most of the very elite students, they don't have any problem with this, but for the very to the you know they will find this a little bit problem in here. Let's see how we do this. 3 root 2 x square plus 5x plus root 2. Just by saying this root 2 and root 2, they will get a little bit more confused in this situations. There's nothing to get more confused. You just multiply this 3 root 2 and this 2. 3 root 2 and this root 2, you will get 6. You can do in this calculator. So you have to choose the factors of 6 that sum up to 5, because here is a positive sign, that's why. So the factors of 6, 3 to the 6, 3 plus 2, 5. Now you can 2x square plus 3x, I'm doing directly here, 3x plus 2x, that sum up to 5x root 2 equals to 0. Or now make a pair here, you can see here, you can get here 3 and x as a common, and the remaining root 2 x plus, now here becomes 1, and from here you will get 2 x plus root 2. Wait a minute, we don't have. So what we get here is this 2 and this is root 2. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 multiply root 2, it becomes 2. So from this 2 we can take root 2 common. Now the remaining becomes root 2x plus, this goes the outer side and it becomes 1 here. Yes. Now it's gone. Here the same, so you can take root 2x plus 1 common, and then after the remaining 3x plus root 2 equals to 0. Now you can do either root 2x plus 1 equals to 0, or now I'm going to do directly. When you do this positive sign, this plus 1 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 1, and this go into the denominator here. Either or 3x plus root 2 is equals to 0, or x equals to minus root 2 by 3. And this is how you do. Therefore the value of x are minus 1 by root 2, and another is minus root 2 by 3. These are the values for x. This I have done number A. So similarly you can do number B and C also, and just like this, just like I have done here. So you can do number B on your own right now in your copies. आफ्नो कपीमा गर्ने अहिलेको अहिले यो नम्बर B को चाहिँ you can try in your copy. So if you need this, you can take a screenshot so you can copy later in your copy. So I'm going to rub this right now, and this number B, you keep on doing this on your copy. Oh, we'll take so I'm going to rub this. Now let's go into the number B. I hope you're doing number B already. So I'm going into number B. You just check your answers. 2 root 3 x square minus 8x plus 2 root 3 equals to 0. You do on your own. No need to copy no need to see my answers. You just do. So 2 root 3 times 2 root 3, this becomes 2 root 4, 4 3 is 12. So we have 12. 2 root 3 times 2 root 3, we got 12. The factor of 12, that sum up, you have to be, this has to becomes 8. 6 to the 12, 6 plus 2, 8. 2 root 3 x square minus 6 plus 2, 6 to the 12, 6 plus 2, 8. Root 3, I'm not going to skip any methods. You can skip. X square minus 6x minus 2x plus 2 root 3 equals to 0. Now take common. From here you can take 2. 2x common, root 3 x minus 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. Yes, 2 3 is 6. Okay, let me 2 3 is 6. Now here you will get minus 2 common, and this becomes x minus root 3. So x minus root 3 equals to 0. So here is x minus root 3. Let's take 2 root x. From here root 3, here is 3. So from root 3 and 3, root 3 will be common here. Now this becomes x alone, and this 3 becomes root 3. I've extracted root 3 from here. Now only root 3 becomes. The reason why I took root 3 again, to make this same, to make this term same. Now only we can take the common from here. Or x minus root 3, you take common here, and then after 2 root 3 x minus 2 equals to 0. Now you do either you just check the answers. Either x minus root 3 equals to 0, or x equals to root 3, or 2 root 3 x minus 2 equals to 0, or x equals to 2 by 2 root 3, or x equals to 2 cancels, this becomes 1 by root 3. So there will be 2 values of x, therefore x equals to root 3, and another will be 1 by root 3. So just like this, similarly, just like this, you do the that number C also on your own. So now I'm going to rub this. You do number C also on your own. Try doing faster than me. Let's see. Now if you want to take a screenshot, you take a screenshot, you can, so you can later copy this. I'm going to do number C also. Okay. Okay, you do on your own. No need to see mine. Let's see. Okay, number C. Number C, we have root 6 x square minus 7x minus 5 root 6 equals to 0. Now you multiply root 6 into 5 root 6, it becomes 5 6 is 30. So you have to choose the factors of 30 that if you minus, if you make a difference, that will result 7. So the factors of 30 are 5 6 is 30. 15 to the no, let's see, 2 15s are 2, then after 3 5 is 15. Let's see, 5 to the 10, 10 minus 3, yes, 5 to the 10, 10 3 is 30, 10 minus 3, 7. Now you got root 6 x square minus 10 minus 3 x minus 5 root 6. You just check your answers here. Root 6 x square minus, this becomes minus 10x, minus minus plus 3x, minus 5 root 6 equals to 0. Now you just take the common. So from here, root 6. From root 6 we got root 3 into root 2 into root 3. So we got here 2 also. This root 6 means root 6, but 10 can be written as 2 into 5. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into 5. So if you extract here root 2 x, then from here the remaining will be root 3 x minus. Now from 10 I have kept root 2 outside and x also outside. Now the remaining will be 5 root 2. Similarly, now in this both we got here root 6 in 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. From root 6 you can take root 3 common. Now the remaining becomes x minus root 3 x minus 5. Now the remaining is root 3 into root 2 root 6. Just check answers. Equals to 0, or root 3x minus 5 root 2. Another is root 2x plus root 3 equals to 0. Now we can do either, just like the previous one, either root 3x minus 5 root 2 equals to 0, or x equals to, I'm doing directly 5 root 2 divided by root 3, or another will be root 2x plus root 3 equals to 0. That is x equals to minus root 3 divided by root 2. Therefore the values for x is 5 root 2 divided by root 3. Another will be minus root 3 divided by root 2. So these are the answers. This is how you do this kind of quadratic equations, because most of the students, they get very confused by seeing this root 2 sign there. It's not much more complicated. If you get used to it, it will be very easy for you to. So at the beginning it will be more it will be more uneasy for you to do this kind of these the quadratic equation involving this root kind of things. So you will get very confused in taking common in this root kind of things. So you have to get used to this. So I think you can do it. So these are the problems that I've solved, and remaining you just investigate this kind of questions from others copies also, and you can practice. Okay, this much for today.